Hello and welcome to this new video tutorial of Magento 2 frequently bought together plugin. Now this particular plugin allows the Magento 2 store admin to add products frequently bought on any product page that will be displayed as frequently bought products on its product page to the customers. The customers can select the checkbox of frequently bought products to add them along with the desired product to the cart. Apart from that, the customers can even view the total payable amount that consists of the main product price and selected add-ons price on the product page itself. Kindly note that this particular plugin, that's the Magento 2 frequently bought together plugin, works with the simple, virtual, downloadable and group products only. So in today's video tutorial, I'll be taking you through the workflow of this particular plugin at the customer's end, and I'll be showing you how the customers can select the frequently bought together products and can add them to the cart along with the main product there. So I've just set up a demo with some of the simple, downloadable and grouped products, and I'll be showing you the same at the customer's end. Thereafter, I'll be showing you how the admin would be able to add the frequently bought together products to a particular product from the admin backend panel. But before I proceed further with this particular video tutorial today, please do subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to receive the latest updates from our end. And if you find this particular video helpful, then do kindly give it a thumbs up. So right now you can see that I'm at the Magento 2 web store front end on one of the products, that's the Push It Messenger bag. And from the admin backend panel, I have added the frequently bought together products for this particular product there. So I've added two simple products, one grouped and one downloadable product right now. You can add virtual products to it as well. And here to the right of the frequently bought together section, you can see that we have the main product price as $45 for the Push It Messenger bag. Then we have the add-on selected and the payable amount there. Now if you want to select a particular simple one, for example, if I select this just duffel bag, then $34 would be added here for the add-on selected. And then if I want to add the just duffel bag along with the Push It Messenger bag to the cart, then I just need to tap here on the add selected items to the cart. The same goes with the other simple product as well. I can do it with multiple products as well. I have added two products and the add-on selected are $66 and the total payable amount is $111 there. And thereafter I can tap here on the add selected items to cart to add the just duffel bag, stripe shoulder pack and the Push It Messenger bag directly to the cart there. So after the admin has added the frequently bought together products for a particular product from the admin backend, a frequently bought together section is created on the product page that displays those frequently bought together products for the respective product that is there. And the customers can select any of these frequently bought together products and can add those add-ons along with the main product to the cart to make a checkout thereafter. Now for example, I've showed you that for simple product directly after we've selected the product, the add-on selected price is reflected here under the summary there. For example, for this simple product as well, for the downloadable product as well. But for a group product, what happens is that when we tap on the select, then we have to select the required options. So here we have, for example, within the group we have 6 foot stripe yoga strap, 6 foot, 8 foot and 10 foot long. So I can choose a selected one, for example one quantity of this, and then I can tap here on the select configuration and the particular add-on selected price would be added here as you can see, and the total payable amount along with the main product price and the add-on selected would be reflected here. Now if I select a simple one as well, for example I'm going with the stripe shoulder pack and the set of stripe yoga straps with the Push It Messenger bag. After I've selected the frequently bought products here, I can tap here on the add selected items to cart, and you can see that the particular items will be added into the cart. Now for the group product, for the stripe yoga, we had selected the stripe yoga strap 8 foot, so that particular option only has been added into the cart along with the main product, that's the Push It Messenger bag, and the other frequently bought product, that's the stripe shoulder pack. Now thereafter the customer can tap here on the proceed to checkout button to make a checkout thereafter. So that's how this plugin allows the Magento 2 store admin to add products or the frequently bought products on any product page, and they are displayed as frequently bought products on the product page itself within a particular section as you can see here. Let me close this out. A simple section is created for the frequently bought together products there. Alright. Now let me take you to the admin backend panel and let me show you how the admin would be able to add the frequently bought together products for a particular product. So I'll be taking the example of the Pushit Messenger bag itself. So let me go to the admin backend panel and let's log into the admin backend panel by entering the username, password and tapping on the sign in button. Now thereafter what the admin needs to do is after the successful installation of this particular plugin, the admin needs to navigate to catalog and products. There he can do it or he can add the frequently bought products to an already created product or to a new product that he is going to create. So for now, let me show you. For example, let me search for the respective product, that's the Pushit Messenger bag that we were checking at the storefront, and let me edit it up. Let me close this out. Now after the successful installation of the Magento 2 frequently bought together plugin, you'll get one section here on the product edit page or on the product creation page. That's the frequently bought together. Now if I tap on that, here you'll be able to add the frequently bought products, and these are shown to the customers as add-ons to the item the customer is looking at right now on the storefront that we just checked out, right? So to add the frequently bought products, you need to tap here on the add frequently bought products. You can see that I had added two simple products, that's the Just Duffel Bag Striped Shoulder Pack, one downloadable product that was Beginners Yoga, and one group product that was set of Sprite Yoga straps that I added. I can remove them out as well. And now to add the frequently bought together products for this main product, that's the Pushit Messenger bag, I need to go to the frequently bought together section and tap here on the add frequently bought products button. That would basically bring up the complete list of products that are there within the store, and from here we'll be able to add the products as frequently bought products to the Pushit Messenger bag. So for example, I want to add the Crown Summit backpack, so I can choose Crown Summit backpack here. Wafer Messenger bag, these are the simple products. I can scroll down. I have a downloadable product here. I can choose that up. I have I can choose the group product as well if I want. So right now the group product is not visible here. All of these are basically showing the configurable products here. Let me scroll down. Okay. All right. So as I've already told you that this particular plugin works with a simple virtual downloadable and group products only. So after selecting them up, you have to tap here on the add selected products, and those products would be added, as you can see, as the frequently bought products there. So I've already shown you that I had added two simple, one grouped one, and one downloadable product. This was the group product having three different Sprite Yoga strap sizes like 6 foot, 8 foot and 10 foot. I had selected the quantity and selected the configuration, and that particular configuration was added here, and the same was visible then within the cart as well. So that's how the admin can add. Let me refresh this one, this particular page here to show you the same ones that I have added, the simple, grouped and the downloadable product that I had added to this particular Pushit Messenger bag. So if I scroll down to the frequently bought together products, here I have Just Duffel Bag, Striped Shoulder Pack, Beginners Yoga and the set of Sprite Yoga straps as well. So yes, that was much about the Magento 2 frequently bought together plugin, and I hope it helped you out in understanding how it allows the Magento 2 web store admin to add the products or the frequently bought products on any product page, and then how they are displayed within a particular section as frequently bought products on the particular product page to the customers. The customers can select the checkbox of the frequently bought products to add them along with the desired product to the cart, and the customers can even view the total payable amount that consists of the main product price and the selected add-ons price on the product page on the right hand side under the summary. Under the summary you can see the main product price, the add-on selected price and the payable amount, and then they can add the selected items to the cart thereafter by tapping here on the add selected items to the cart button. So if you still have any questions, queries, suggestions or requirements regarding this particular plugin, then you can anytime get back to us at support@webcool.com, or you can raise a ticket at webcool.uedesk.com as well. Apart from that, if you find this particular video helpful, then do kindly give it a thumbs up. And lastly, thanks for watching this particular video and have a great day ahead.